So guys, I'm on Fiverr. I went from Fiverr right here. I went here to AI services. When you click on AI services, you'll see a bunch of the services that are available. And the one I want to focus on today is this one, ChatGPT applications. So when you click on it, you see a bunch of gigs that are already available. The one that caught my attention, and see how people are charging even $500 for this. So I'll whip out my calculator and we'll do 500 times 22 orders. So consider this person has already made $11,000. That easy. And there was one I saw, I think it was someone charging 1,600. Yeah, right here. 1,600 and 10 orders is already 16,000, guys. So as you can see, this ChatGPT is a great opportunity and it's free, so everyone can do it. So click the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page, and click this pinned comment. Is a book or books on ChatGPT. The one I recommend is this one right here, the ChatGPT Millionaire. I've read it and it's awesome, guys. So I recommend that you do it yourself. The book has a download that you can have access to ChatGPT prompts. I think over 150 ChatGPT prompts. So it's a bestseller. I really recommend that you do get this book. And if you see here, it's you can get it for free with Kindle Unlimited. So I actually use Kindle Unlimited. You can actually get a new account or a new email and read this book. I really recommend it, guys, so you can know how to use ChatGPT to make money like this right here. 1,600 or 16,000 actually, because it's 1,600. And so without further ado, here are the 50 ways to make money online with ChatGPT. 1. Start a ChatGPT consulting business and charge clients for personalized advice. 2. Create a ChatGPT chatbot that can answer customer service inquiries for businesses and charge a monthly fee. 3. Write and sell an ebook about how to use ChatGPT effectively. 4. Make a YouTube video about ChatGPT and monetize it with ads. 5. Create a course about how to use ChatGPT for specific industries such as marketing or education. 6. Offer a service where you write essays for students using ChatGPT and charge by the word. 7. Start a podcast where you interview experts about how they use ChatGPT in their work. 8. Create a ChatGPT-powered quiz and charge people to take it. 9. Develop a ChatGPT-powered game and monetize it with in-app purchases. 10. Offer a ChatGPT translation service for businesses and charge by the word. If you like the video so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the first link in the description for the books I recommend to learn all about ChatGPT. 11. Create a ChatGPT-powered resume builder and charge people to use it. 12. Develop a ChatGPT-powered writing assistant and charge a monthly subscription fee. 13. Create a ChatGPT-powered digital marketing tool and charge businesses for access. 14. Start a ChatGPT-based language learning service and charge people for lessons. 15. Offer a ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant service and charge a monthly fee. 16. Develop a ChatGPT-powered content creation service and charge businesses for blog posts and social media content. 17. Create a ChatGPT-powered proofreading and editing service and charge by the word. 18. Start a ChatGPT-based personal shopping service and charge a percentage of the sales. 19. Offer a ChatGPT-powered research service and charge businesses for market research. 20. Develop a ChatGPT-powered project management tool and charge a monthly subscription fee. 21. Create a ChatGPT-powered social media scheduling tool and charge businesses for access. 22. Start a ChatGPT-based event planning service and charge a percentage of the event cost. 23. Offer a ChatGPT-powered financial planning service and charge a percentage of the assets managed. 24. Develop a ChatGPT-powered email marketing tool and charge businesses for access. 25. Create a ChatGPT-powered real estate listing service and charge a percentage of the sale. 26. Start a ChatGPT-based travel planning service and charge a fee per itinerary. 27. Offer a ChatGPT-powered personal fitness coaching service and charge a monthly fee. 28. Develop a ChatGPT-powered video editing tool and charge a monthly subscription fee. 29. Create a ChatGPT-powered website builder and charge a monthly subscription fee. 30. Start a ChatGPT-based graphic design service and charge by the project. 31. Offer a ChatGPT-powered legal research service and charge businesses for access. 32. Develop a ChatGPT-powered stock trading tool and charge a percentage of the profits. 33. Create a ChatGPT-powered meal planning service and charge a monthly fee. 34. Start a ChatGPT-based tutoring service and charge by the hour. 35. Offer a ChatGPT-powered event ticketing service and charge a percentage of the sales. 36. Develop a ChatGPT-powered survey tool and charge businesses for access. 37. Create a ChatGPT-powered online marketplace and charge a percentage of sales. 38. Start a ChatGPT-based cryptocurrency trading service and charge a percentage of the profits. 39. Offer a ChatGPT-powered mental health coaching service and charge a monthly fee. 40. Develop a ChatGPT-powered travel booking service and charge a monthly fee per booking. 41. Create a ChatGPT-powered job search tool and charge a monthly subscription fee. 42. Start a ChatGPT-based personal shopping and styling service and charge a percentage of sales. 43. Offer a ChatGPT-powered customer feedback tool and charge businesses for access. 44. Develop a ChatGPT-powered supply chain management tool and charge a monthly subscription fee. 45. Create a ChatGPT-powered project bidding service and charge a percentage of the project cost. 46. Start a ChatGPT-based SEO consulting service and charge a monthly fee. 47. Offer a ChatGPT-powered personal finance tracking tool and charge a monthly subscription fee. 48. Develop a ChatGPT-powered legal document generator and charge a fee per document. 49. Create a ChatGPT-powered investment tracking tool and charge a monthly subscription fee. 50. Start a ChatGPT-based social media management service and charge a monthly fee. 50 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Did you like the list? Did I leave anyone out? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.